Hey everyone, today, we will show you how to upgrade your Gen 5 SSD with a heat pipe design by disassembling the 2025 MSI Raider 18HX gaming laptop. Before you begin pulling everything apart, make sure your model supports Gen 5 SSD slot and with a heat pipe design. Let's start by preparing the following tools to make the process easier and safer during the upgrade. A plastic prying tool, a Phillips No. 1 head screwdriver, and an anti-static wrist strap or gloves. Ensure your laptop is powered off and the AC adapter is disconnected. You may refer our video, MSI Creator Pro X18HX, Raider 18HX, Titan 18HX A1 for series upgrade tutorial, to disassemble the bottom cover. After removing the bottom cover and battery, if you want to upgrade Gen 5 SSD with a thermal heat pipe, follow the steps. And screw for screws securing the heat pipe. Remove the heat pipe and thermal pad. Remove the original SSD. Insert the new SSD into the SSD slot with a miter angle. Reassemble the heat pipe and thermal pad back. Screw the screw back. To reassemble, reverse the steps you followed to disassemble, ensuring all screws and cables are securely returned to their original positions. Let's boot up the system to ensure that the upgrades were successful. Connect the laptop to AC power. Press the power button and repeatedly hit the delete key to enter BIOS. Select storage information to view information on the newly installed SSD. That's how you upgrade Gen 5 SSD with a heat pipe design on the MSI laptops. There are quite a few processes to go through, but hopefully, you nailed it.